Hello YouTube. Here I have Panasonic Plasma 65VT60 which has broken display. I can show you this, the screen has been broken because of used not original screws, too long screws, and now we have damage on the here you see the screws damaged the screen. And how to verify it? The screen you can verify using the flashlight, and when you turn on the TV, if it turns, then this TV will make some buzzing noise from all the TV, not from a specific board, but from all the TV. And the sounds like that. This sound, and when you're pushing the buttons, the sounds changes a little bit. Is changing, yeah. And now what I want to show you is how if your screen is okay and you have 7 blinks of that, probably one of these boards is broken, SC, SU, SD, and we can verify, can test if our SC card is okay. To do that, we must disconnect all these 3 connectors between these boards and the SC board, but all 3 must be disconnected, otherwise this board will be damaged. This remove 1, 2, 3 high voltage screws and make a short circuit in this socket SC50. And now if our SC board is okay, then when we turn on the TV to the power, the TV will turn on normally. Everything is fine. If SC board will be broken, then we will get 7 blinks of that red LED. I hope that it helps you. Bye.